Today I'm making a pizza. Pizza. Hi guys, today I'm making pizza. My name is Gemma. Can I have a glass of milk, please? So right now I want to make sugar. The sugar. All of it. I put my sugar in. So now I need salt. Can't even put all of it in. I can't put all of it in. How do I? Ah! So I put my salt in, now I need something else. Now I need butter. What if it doesn't melt? Now should I mix it? Okay, yes. Should I put all of it? Now should I mix it? I'm gonna mix it. Mix it. It looks so bad. Dude, it's stuck inside. Now I need to put the flour in. Not gonna put it. Oh, it's squishy. Jeez, I can't even stop doing this. It's so squishy. Oh, I can't do this. It's so squishy. And sticky. Can I do my mungkin asridaya? Unfortunately, also this is super bad. I don't like this. Let's see. Actually, Mommy did it for me. Now we need to rest it for 1 hour. Now can I put it in? Yay! Just for that little sticky thing. Oh, now it's so big. Let's start. I'm going to put more in after I'm going to wipe it. Too much. Look how watery it is. Now I have to do it super fast. Let's start to open the dough. Now can I open it, please? Make me sticky. Get the bubbles. Get the bubbles of it. That's easy. Oh, look at the bubbles growing. I don't like the bubbles without doing pizza. Now we made it a circle. Now we're supposed to do ketchup. Like smash it with the fork. Now should I do it? Am I supposed to? I'm supposed to put the add on ketchup. So had ground meat, we have sausage, we have chicken. Now when this is done, because I don't want those two parts for sausage. Sausages. I love sausage. I love sausage. Sausage is the best. I'm gonna put one more line. I wonder who is the sausage part. And how will English or Arabic? How many hours will the chicken do? Wait, now I'm doing the ground meat now. Okay, just too much. Okay, I want to do a little. Mommy, I want to do a little bit of these. استنى. Wait. أنا أحط دي أنا أحط الأرض دي هنا وأنا أحط دي in front of the oven. Okay? We're gonna put it in the oven, and after we're probably gonna save it for my dad and Dodo. هنحطها في الفرن for 15 minutes وناكلها. هاخد التليفون شوية بقى. مامي هاخد التليفون شوية تاني. ممكن اخد التليفون بقى. Now 15 minutes is done. Now we can put our cheese now. Now it's supposed to put it for the oven for more 15 minutes. Now we're done. Ooh, so yummy. If you like my YouTube channel, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to do the comments below, and please subscribe and don't forget the bell for notifications. If you like my pizza too.